Hello and welcome to Online Education Aid. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to buy cryptocurrency with your voice, virtual or physical card on Binance. Buying cryptocurrency is very important to us, and there are so many platforms where you can buy cryptocurrency with your credit card or debit card directly, but maximum card are blocked to buy for cryptocurrencies. In this situation, Wise offering buying cryptocurrency services. That means you can buy any type of cryptocurrency with your Wise virtual or physical credit card. You can see here I am already in my account, and you can see here the transaction history. Here is a transaction history made on 1st January 2024, and you can see here I have purchased 100 USD, and you can see here another 100 USD on Binance with my Wise card. Okay, so I'm already in my account. Those who want to buy cryptocurrency with our virtual card on Binance, so you can see here 24 GBP available right now. So this video topic is how we can buy cryptocurrency on Binance. We need to log in our Binance account with our username and password. I'm already Binance and I'm already in my account. To buy cryptocurrency, I mean Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDT, we need to click on the deposit button. After login our account, I'm already in my account, Binance account, and I'm clicking on the deposit, and you can see here deposit crypto, and here is the option buy crypto. Okay, I'm clicking here. So here is the minimum limit is 15 USD to 20,000 USD. Okay, so I want to buy 30 USD right now because in my account has 24 GBP, 24 GBP to USD. You can see here 30 USD. Okay, so I want to buy 30 USD right now, 30 USD, and I will receive Bitcoin. You can change your currencies from here. Okay, so by default here is the BTC Bitcoin selected, so I'm not interested to change the currency. I will pay 30 USD and I will get this amount of Bitcoin. And you can see here a card has been added in my account. This is the by Wise virtual card. You can see here 7565, last four digit of my card. Here is the card, and this is my physical card. And now we need to click on the buy BTC button. Okay, you can see here, and 0.60 USD will be charged. You need to click on the confirm button. I have already clicked on this. Okay, it's loading. We need to verify our transaction by sending an OTP code. I'm clicking here, get an SMS via OTP. OTP code will be sent to our registered phone number. I have received my OTP code, that is 663171. So you can see here how our cryptocurrency has been successfully purchased. We have purchased 30 USD Bitcoin with our Wise card. If you can see here the Binance has been charged 30 USD, and this is the successful process. So now we can go to our dashboard, and you can see here 30 USD has been added into our account. So this is the process to buy cryptocurrency with Wise virtual card. Is very simple and easy. If you want to buy cryptocurrency with the virtual card, then you can follow this step. and you can buy easily your cryptocurrency with your Wise account. I mean Wise virtual card or physical card. In the same time, if you need Wise business account, you can contact with us. We sell Wise account in reliable price. Also, if you need Binance account, you can contact with us. We sell Binance account also. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video with new topics. Till then, take care and be safe.